Okay, so what we have here is a reverse lockout module from our friends at Modern Driveline. And what this does is it provides a system similar to what Ford, GM, Chrysler use on their manual transmission cars to prevent you from using reverse when the car is moving. Now, the reason we want this is because if you're running any fuel injection system or a carburetor with your manual transmission, but you're not using a factory EFI system that has a reverse lockout, you have a problem. In the past, we've done a bunch of different things to try and combat this. We'll have a switch hidden somewhere in the cars, you gotta press a button and shift in reverse. Or we've had it on the brake pedal, which a lot of times seems to work, but everybody drives something different. So if you're going from 6th to 5th, you hit the brake, you could hit reverse instead. Or there's the simplest method of just don't do anything and force it in reverse, which is hard on parts and the driver, and sometimes you don't get it in anyway. So this thing does what the factory intended to do. You wire it into the vehicle speed and into the reverse lockout solenoid, and it monitors the car's speed and does exactly what GM, Ford, or Chrysler would have done with your car if they'd made it today. So you can't put it in reverse as long as the car's moving. So it's just like having a new car, and it's just a pretty trick little thing.